Hello, good day, and welcome to our Shampooing 101 video.
Have a seat right here. I'm going to get a towel around your neck.
First and foremost is your towel, obviously.
Alright, you can lean on back. You just let me know if the temperature feels good. How's that?
That's perfect.
Notice how before Sally puts the water on the client's head, she puts the water on her wrist so that she can get a better idea of the actual temperature. Double check that the temperature is great for the guest because everyone has difference of preference. Some people prefer colder, some people prefer warmer, some people don't really care. So definitely make sure that they're comfortable during the whole process. Notice as well that Sally has fully saturated the hair with water.
I'm using the Pureology Hydrate shampoo today. It's just going to give you a nice moisture balance.
Notice how Sally explains why she's using the product she chose for this guest. He's got coarser hair and he needs moisture balance, so she chose the Hydrate shampoo and explained why she's using that. This is a perfect time for you to really focus in on the head massage. See how she's going over every section of the hair and really getting in there. This is sped up, so make sure you're taking your time. Another thing to notice is that she is not shy with the suds. She only did one pump of shampoo. You really only need about a quarter size shampoo of the Pureology and you should be able to get plenty of suds. Again, this is all water activated, so try adding a little bit more water before adding more product. Please notice as well that the spigot is not directly on the scalp or the hair. She has left room for air and oxygen to make it into the hair and on the scalp to fully get rid of all the product. It's also a hygienic thing, so make sure you are not touching the hair or scalp with the spigot. And don't forget to lift the head and get under and create a barrier at the ear so that the water doesn't get in their ear.
Now I'm going to use the Hydrate conditioner. It's going to give you a little bit of a tingle on your scalp.
You really only want to have the conditioner on the scalp for only a few minutes at most, so that's why we do focus on the massage during the shampoo portion. See how she just runs it through, goes ahead and gets the water ready to wash it off. Keep in mind that for some reason, shampoos are one of the most important part of a hair appointment. People will come back solely because they enjoy the shampoo and the head massage so much. They just felt like they were completely taken care of and it was just a really relaxing moment for them. When you get to this point, go ahead and grab your towel, let it sit on the hair and soak up some of that water first before you head back to your chair.
Alrighty, you can lean up and we're going to walk back to my chair.